Now, we were talking yesterday about the spirit of place and that energy that you feel when you walk into a place, and this is definitely one of those places, isn't it? You can feel it. It's almost heavy in the air, this sense of almost tranquility. It's almost the opposite to everything that most of us experience in our daily lives, isn't it?
It's
Like,
so peaceful.
You live here.
I live here. But I don't come here very often. I don't make it my business to come down here. I love to know. What I actually really love knowing about this place is that it's here no matter what I'm doing or where I am. This place is just standing here just like this. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes the sun's coming down, but it's just quietly, peacefully doing its thing whilst, the world ticks around out there. And I like the fact that because of me, that's happening. Whether I don't have to be here to appreciate it, is what I'm saying. It speaks to me no matter where I am, this place.
Brilliant. That's real connection.
It is. I love it. I love it. The minute I set foot on this property and we came for a walk down to this spot, we just knew we had to be here. We had to look after this special, special place. I love that. There's one down there that you just use it falling over. Oh, wow. See this big chunk?
Yes.
Well, that's a fallen one.
Yes.
And there's the head of it.
You started over again. There you go. No way. And look at that one too. Turn around.
Yeah.